ladies and gentlemen, this is Azar and Ares Auto. If you are a owner of a tricycle, popularly known as Keke, you know one thing that is very common is susceptible to theft. They do steal it. So if you are the owner of the Keke and you drive it yourself and you want to prevent it from theft, this video is for you. Then secondly, if you own fleet of Keke that a driver drives to make money for you on daily basis and they keep complaining that they have not worked for the day and giving you excuses and they are not depositing their balance as agreed, this video is for you. Now you see this particular Keke, I have installed tracker on it. It is well hidden. It's not something you can easily locate, but it's inside. Now the Keke is working. You can hear the sound of the Keke. You can even see the device that is working. Now I can easily turn this Keke off now, which I'm going to do in your presence. Peradventure your Keke is stolen or for whatever you want to stop it, just go to the app. Then from the app, I want to cut off power supply. I will issue you to cut off power supply. I've sent the command. So he asked me to put in my password. For security reasons, I will take out my password. Now I've inputted the password. I will say send. Once its command is said, that shut down the Keke. Keke that shut off. So if the Keke was stolen, you can easily shut it down and you will not track it where it is. Now, after recovering your Keke, or maybe the person that refused to submit his daily deposit, you can now restore power back. I will also put the password. The essence is that nobody can just have access to your phone and give command on the app. You also have to have the password. So I put it on. Command is on. Now power has come back. The Keke is on. You can see that it's on now. You can see it's on without I touching anything. Now if you also have drivers that deposit for you on daily basis and they keep telling you stories that they have not worked for the day, all you simply need to do, you come to the app and you say today how far he has traveled for today. You will see all the places he has gone to for the day. You could just play it and see how he has moved for the day. That the Keke is not stable. You can see you see those parts in green that's telling you the movement of the Keke, how it was moving. You also see the time, the date, the time at which it got to those locations. So if your Keke driver is lying to you that he has not worked for the day, with this you have proof and you can challenge him or her that he has been working, because you have this tracker installed in your system, in your tricycle. This is Azar and Ares Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need me to have this installed in your tricycle, in your bike and in your car, you can contact me. My contact details is in the description of this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Then one more feature, I can actually track as it's moving. So I will let the Keke go. Then we'll see how it's moving and see its movement. To see it in real time. Though the refresh rate take about 10 seconds. So let us see. Go to further back. So the guy will drive out. and we'll be seeing wow, this thing is not very clear. So it has started moving. The guy has started moving. So let us wait. We'll see the new location once it refresh. You can see, you can see the new location now. He has moved. You can even see from the what you have here. It tells you the status, the current status is driving. It tells you the ignition is open and the car is driving. It tells you the speed at which it's going, 50 kilometers per hour. It tells you the direction, northwest. Now the guy has moved on. You can see how he has moved. You can see so far the movement so far. The refresh rate in the next 3 seconds, it will refresh and you will see the next position. See the status is still driving. The speed has dropped to 49 kilometers. You can see it has shown movement again. So you refresh every 10 seconds to tell you where the device that is being tracked is. It has reduced, it has dropped the speed to 17 kilometers per hour. So it's likely going to stop somewhere because I totally asked him to ask the person driving the Keke to buy me something. So it's definitely going to stop somewhere. So at a particular point in time, you will see this accessories on will become off or short, showing that he has turned off the Keke. This is the place where the person is now. So the Keke is still on, 9 kilometers, is about to stop. So when it stops, you see, it has stopped driving the Keke. So it's likely going to turn off the ignition. When the ignition is turned off, we also know, except it's not going to turn off the ignition. Ask him to drive to go and get me something. So the car is static at this particular point in time. The Keke, is static at that location. So the refresh rate will refresh in the next 30 seconds, sorry. And maybe we'll still see, you see that the position still remains the same. It will not change because it's static. See, the position didn't change. It has refreshed already, telling you that it is static. So once it starts coming back, we will know. So let's wait. It's still in the same position, it has not changed. can see now he has started driving, so he's coming back. He's coming back. He has started driving. He has bought what I asked him to buy. He didn't turn off the ignition at that particular point in time. Sorry. He's driving now at 20 kilometers per hour. He's driving now at 20 kilometers per hour. He's coming. You can see he's moving back. You can see he's coming back. You can see the direction that he's coming back. You can see he's moving and he's coming back. He's driving at 54 kilometers per hour. Keke is coming back. So it's almost here where he left, so soon be around. It's coming close. Close, very close. Very close. We'll be back soon. Okay, he has finally arrived, and you can see it's parked there. So this is Azar and Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.